Managing business expenses can feel overwhelming, but Zoho Books makes it simple and organized. Let's go through how to record and manage your expenses step by step. From the Zoho Books sidebar, look for the Expenses tab and click on it. At the top, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Expense. This is where you'll create your entry. Start by entering the date of the expense so your records stay accurate. Next, choose the category that best fits, like travel, office supplies, or a custom one you've set up. Then type in the amount spent and add a short description if you'd like more context. If you have a receipt, you can upload it here. It's optional, but really useful for audits or future reference. And if the expense is billable to a client, simply select the customer and mark it as billable so you can easily add it to an invoice later. Once all the details look good, hit save or choose save and new if you're entering multiple expenses in one go, and that's it. You've successfully recorded an expense in Zoho Books. Keeping your expenses organized this way not only saves time but also gives you clear financial insights to make smarter business decisions.